Hello friends, today I am going to review about 8 pigmented lip crayons which I have in my collections. These all lip crayons can be used during daytime and nighttime also. I have the collection from Swiss Beauty, K Beauty, Revlon and Maybelline also. My first lip crayon is from Revlon. It's a color burst collection. It's a matte lip balm. This is in the color in red. This is such a beautiful shade which you can use during daytime. This will give you a matte effect. It's not a glossy lip color. This is in the shade 240, which is a light red color. I like the texture of this lip color. This will cost you 1000 rupees. You can easily get this from Nykaa or Amazon. So this is the color. It is a light red. When you will apply on your lips, it will give you a matte effect. So this is the swatch of this Revlon Color Burst lip color. As you can see in the light also, it is a light red color. This is the best for using in daytime. My next shade is Maybelline Intense Lip Crayon. You can see it is clearly written that it will give you high coverage and matte finish. The packaging also very beautiful. This is in the shade Dark Chocolate. You can see this shade also. So this is the color of this lip crayon. This is in the maroon shade, but it is written that it is a dark chocolate shade, but it is on the maroonish side. So if you want a dark chocolate, you can skip this color. Now this is the swatch of this lip crayon. You can see in the swatch also it is a maroon color. My next shade is K Beauty Lip Crayon. This lip crayon I got as a free gift when I purchased some of the K Beauty products. So this is a very light brown in shade, and the shade name is Just Friends. You can see that it is a brick red in color, and this is very light shade, so you can easily apply it during daytime. The packaging also very nice. My fourth shade is again from Maybelline Color Intense Lip Crayon in the shade Passionate Plum. This is a very deep pink in shade. As you can see, this lip crayon you can use during any occasions also because it is very deep in color. So when you will apply it, see, it's very deep. It's not a light color. My fifth shade is from Swiss Beauty. It's a lip stain matte lip crayon. You can see it is written on the package also, and this is in the shade 223 in Velvet Maroon. This is also a very deep pink in shade. You can call it as a Rani color. This will cost you only 150 rupees. So in this price you are getting a very good lip color. You can see how pigmented it is. My next shade is again from Maybelline. It is Intense Red in shade, and this is the very dark red color, so you can apply it during night time also. It's a very nice pigmented shade. The seventh shade is from Maybelline, and this is in the shade Bold Burgundy. This is a pure burgundy in color. You can see that this is a mix of red and maroon. If you don't like red or dark chocolate, then you can go for this lip color. So this is a mix of red and maroon. This is very deep in shade. The last lip crayon I have in my collection, that is again from Swiss Beauty. This is a very light peach color. So this is in the shade 202 Peaches and Cream. You can see how peachy this color is. This is very light in shade, but it is such a nice color which you can apply during daytime. It is pigmented also, so with one swipe you can get the color. So these are all my 8 lip shades which I have reviewed, and these are the swatches of all 8 lip shades. You can see there are reds, pinks, peach, every color is there. Thanks for watching my video. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.